Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic. I am absolutely obsessed with the happy planner. I love to share all sorts of things that I do with my happy planner here on YouTube. If you are not already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going for a really big goal right now, and every single one of you that subscribe, it means so much to me, and I love to start a dialogue with you in the comments below. So when you do subscribe, please let me know in the comments below so I can personally get to know each and every one of you. In this video, I'm going to be decorating my single sheet monthly grid filler paper. It's a really long title, but this comes in that plastic film. I got mine at Michael's. It comes with like, I want to say 60 sheets. The other side, sadly, is totally plain, so you can use it however you want. I say sadly because I would really like for it to be double-sided so that I could, you know, be more efficient and not so wasteful, because I haven't been using this other side. But anyways, I use this filler paper as a daily gratitude log. So I decorate it just really minimally, and then I date the whole thing, and then each day I put one thing that I am grateful for. And because it's really small, I can just write one little thing like took a long nap or husband's vacation or something like that. And it's just a really good way to practice gratitude in my life. So that's what I've been doing for many months now. This might be like the 5th month that I've done it or something like that. But anyways, let's go ahead and start. These lines that I put here really lightly are the empty days. So the first starts here and then the last day of the month starts here. I wanted to do that with, you know, a reason that I'll show you in a second. But let me go ahead and white out this stuff down at the bottom. And okay, so what I'm using is, I just used the squad goals in my monthly view. As you guys may have already seen, I used a lot of these cute girls, but I've been holding on to these flowers for like 3 years now, over 3 years now, and I'm ready to finally use them. So they're kind of like fall colors. It's really fun. So I'm gonna put them like all around the edge, and then that's really gonna be it. And hopefully I can find like a big sticker that says gratitude, but we'll see. Okay, so this should be a pretty quick video. Okay, in here, I think I had a really big gratitude, which would be really great. I'm just gonna have to find it. So one of my followers on Instagram, she messaged me and said she had a bunch of stickers that she knew she wasn't going to use. So she wanted to send me all of them so they could actually get used, which was like the most sweet thing ever. And I've been using them like crazy. I'm just trying to remember what I have and what I don't know, what I don't have, you know? I really thought I had a big grateful or big gratitude sticker. I don't know. Okay, so other thing I need to do is date these pages. I have like really tiny, here we go. Okay. Only other thing would be to put the month, but maybe I'll just write it. So okay. So I kept it really simple. This was like really fast. I don't know if I absolutely love it. It kind of feels really crazy, but you know, sometimes that happens. I don't know if I could change anything, what I would do though. So maybe I'll just get used to it. It's okay. All right. So let me this goes at the front of my journal. So here are my ones from the past. Here's August, July, June, May, and April. And then January, I tried to use it as like regular thing. So anyways, I started in April. And now we're in September. Crazy, time flies by. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.